How to do a full cross stitch for beginners. Let's get started. Bring your threaded needle up through hole number 1, then bring it down through hole number 2. Now bring your needle up through hole number 3 and down through hole number 4, and you've created your first cross stitch. Again, that's up in hole 1, down through hole 2, then up through hole 3 and down through hole 4. As you can see in the photo, cross stitches can be laid next to each other, like in the leaves, or separated by spaces, like in the berries. There are two different methods of cross stitching. One's the English method and one's the Danish method. And the English method is you just complete each cross and then move on to the next. And they could either be separated or right next to each other. The next is the Danish method, and this works great if you have a few stitches all the same color in a row. Then you will just complete the first half of your stitch all the way down for how many stitches. If in this case here it's 4. And then on the way back you complete the stitch all the way to the beginning. And most patterns you'll do both. Thanks guys for watching the video. If you appreciated it, hit the like button. If you'd like to see more, subscribe to my channel. And if you hit the bell, it'll let you know when I have new videos out. Thanks guys. See us at C Spot Create. Bye.